Good afternoon from Rutland Water. We're doing a 25-mile hike around Rutland Water. It's one of the largest man-made lakes in Europe. So we're doing that. It's a pretty windy weather today. Lots of wind. But we're walking through a little wood right now so I can do this little video because once we get down by the lake it's very windy. We're going to do a wild camp about 12 miles in. And do some cooking and stuff, have some fun. Got Pops with us, Tiffany's behind me. Yeah, we're hoping it's going to be sunny for the rest of the day. A little wind, but then tomorrow there is a chance of rain and maybe even snow. So we'll see how that goes in the morning. But I'm excited to get out on the trail and actually do some backpacking, get the backpack on my shoulders, feel the weight, and get ready for the Cleveland Way in about a month's time. So this is our official really training of carrying the weight. So my pack's probably about, I want to say about 30 pounds. Tiffany's probably about 25, maybe 20, 25. So got the tent, everything with us, sleeping mats. We're fully set up for a night wild camping. I'm really excited about it. So let's get it going. And I'll show you the footage as we walk around the lake today.
Hi there. We're just coming around the reservoir here. It's really, really windy. I've lost my baseball cap twice, which is so I'm giving up on it now and put it in my bag. We're just coming up to Normanton Church. Now this is a church that was threatened when they flooded the area, when they built the reservoir. And what they've actually done is filled the bottom of it with stone and let it flood.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You're filming?
Yeah.
Me eating a cookie.
Yeah.
So we're sitting here on the side, taking a break by Rutland Water, out of the Bryn, just having a break. Cookies are what we're breaking on, and peanuts. Pops has been sniffing around the whole area for anything she can find that's edible. Nothing so far. But she's met a few people that have strolled by. So yeah, it's a pretty view right now. Looking at Tiffany. That's my view. I'm enjoying it. Guys, we're at Linden Nature Reserve. Just stopping in to take a break. I think we're about 7 miles in, I want to say. So this might be, I think we're at the far end of the reservoir now. We just got to circle around and then head into the peninsula where our wild camp spot will be. Keep that on the secret, no one knows about it. Anyway, we're getting there now. Tiff, how you doing?
I'm good.
Enjoying it?
Yeah, just about to get loaded back up again.
Yeah.
And then crack on.
Yeah, let's get cracking on, man.
Before it gets dark.
Yes, because we might be doing some night hiking. Stay tuned. Apparently, me and Tiff are the hippest thing to happen on this Saturday night. The herd's following us. They're following us on the trail. Look. Tiff, this looks like a good spot to rest right here. Yeah. What do you think? Think we should stop here and take a break? Poppy obviously took a break. She went to the toilet. Right on the video. I think we'll stop here and have a little break. Good morning, everybody. We are in the tent. It is cold. We basically got into camp late last night when it was already dark, so we set up the tent at nighttime. So basically we're right next to the reservoir pretty much, wild camping right next to it, and I think both of us slept okay. Dog slept fine, obviously, and it rained all night basically, and now since this morning, since we've just noticed, it is snowing out there right now. So I'm trying to open the tent so you can see it, but if you look out there, sorry about that, it is snowing. So yeah, you can see the ice on the floor there. There's snow out there. So yeah, not the best weather to be hiking in, I would imagine. But so we've got about a roughly 12K hike back to the car. All right, we're just walking through Upper Hambledon. Really nice village that's on the peninsula here. Really pretty church. Really pretty church. All these houses. Defibrillator in the phone box. All these houses here. Just a really pretty neighborhood. This is village. Hello. We're just walking through Whitwell. We just had a spot to eat a coffee for the morning. Apparently I have a caffeine addiction because I've been grumpy all morning until now. I had a cup of coffee right then, so I have a caffeine addiction. And we're heading into, what's the name of the village, Tiff?
It's Empingham.
Empingham, yeah.
That's where the car is.
That's where the car is, so we've got about 3K left to go. The rain stayed off most of the morning, other than when we were putting up the tent, taking down the tent, so the wind stayed off. And now we're just on the final stretch into the car. A little bit muddy, a little bit mucky, but spirits are getting a little better now. So we got snowed on, but Poppy's doing okay. She's a trooper. She had a little sausage for a snack, and she's got some more sausage left. So we're just carrying on our way through here now, and get back to the car and call it a trip. So officially walking around the whole lake, which was nice. It's been good. Come on, Tiff, we made it to the dam. Finished. That feels really good, that does.
Well, hi everybody, it is, what time is it, about 12 o'clock?
Yeah, 12 o'clock.
About 12 o'clock, day 2. We've made it all the way around the lake, and there behind me you can see the dam stretching back out. So that's where we were yesterday. Oh, it's been fantastic. I mean, it's been windy and the wind's picking back up again now. It's been snowing, it's been raining, some sunshine, but it's been absolutely fabulous. So we walked about 20k yesterday before we camped, and we've walked I think about 13k today. We've got another k to get back to the car, which is about a mile away, about a k way up the hill in the village. I think we've had a good time. You had a good time, Charles?
Had a great time, yes.
It's been fantastic. Poppy is still here. She's an absolute trooper. She's had some sausage a bit ago, and I think she's now ready to go to sleep. So we're going to head back to the car, and we'll catch you next time. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.